Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Monday, December 1st. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving weekend, long weekend, whatever, Thanksgiving holiday. We didn't trade Friday, as you know. We did have no trades last night, although we had some currencies we were looking at. Just no setups occurred that we saw favorable. We did have 3 trades this morning, though. Pulled out 16.8 pips. Could have been better, as you'll see, but we just want to start the month off on the right foot, and thankfully so far we have this morning. We'll be looking to trade again this evening. Let's see. We'll go over them in no particular order here. First trade you're looking at was a short in Australian dollar to the US dollar. We were short this 0.85096. It came right in our favor pretty quickly. We picked up 5.4 pips. You know our feeling about figures, even levels. So we covered just ahead of that. It danced around that even number for a while and then finally broke through it and came all the way down to about 0.8480. So, did we leave 20 pips on the table? Yeah. Would we have pulled out, picked off this absolute bottom? No. But we left at least 10 to 12, maybe 15 pips on the table. But it was a risk we weren't willing to take because it could have very easily held the figure. You got a bunch of support here around the figure. It did break it, back here on this was actually on Thanksgiving. Light volume though day because of the holiday here in the States. You could see the support around that number, or at least down into the 80s. So instead of risking, this was actually our very first trade of this morning. We took the 5.4 and we ran. I'm sure some of you guys, it was announced, so I'm sure some of you guys pulled out a little more than us. US dollar, Canadian dollar, we were long this 1.13625. Went in our favor rather quickly. We picked up 5.2 pips. Literally a matter of 2 or 3 minutes later, the thing ran all the way up into the 70s, up around 76, 77, 78, and then eventually ran all the way up into the 80s. So, about maybe 10 minutes later, ran into the 80s. So we totally left some on the table on this trade. But again, first trading day in a month, you're in a profit real quick. Let's just take it and run, So we pulled out 5.2 pips on that trade. And this was announced as well. US dollar, Japanese yen was used it was a trade off of our indicator. So there's no need to announce the indicator trades. We got guys that are using the indicator and it's on their computer. So this was a long 118.256. Went in our favor rather quickly. There's resistance here, as you can see, around 33, 34. We got out ahead of that, 118.318, picked up 6.2 pips. It did run all the way. It actually tried to break this, which it did around 34. I believe it ran to about 36, if I remember correctly. Maybe we left some on the table. I don't know. But it was a no-brainer to get out there. Easy 5, 6, 7 pip trade. If you risked a little more, 8, 9, 10 pips, something like that. So, but we'll take it. 3 pips, 16.8 pips for the day. Real easy trades. 3 quick trades. We never really were risking a lot. I don't even think any of the trades actually went against us by very much. So easy day. Even though we didn't rock it, we had 2 opportunities to pull out a lot more. But we chose not to. We're not going to be greedy. So we'll take it. So that's it. There was an algorithm signal went out, just hasn't gotten filled yet. I don't know if it's going to get filled. Maybe. If it gets canceled by the algorithm, everyone will know. If any signals come out throughout the day, they'll be coming your way. If you're trading now, good luck, and we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action tonight or tomorrow morning. Have a great day.